This is what we're going to be building, and as usual, let's start to copy this part here. I'm going to copy, remove this because I don't really need, paste here and close my section. Now we have the section shopping. I'm going to have shopping tools right here, and yeah, now I can start making my shopping tools right here. Do you like shopping? I like, especially when I'm going to have something to eat. Otherwise, it's not my type. But if we talk about cars, okay, I may not complain. But this time we have to simply buy one car, go home, organize a trip just to test the car, and also have food on the car. I'm going to say this is shopping tools icon, and I'm going to put the icon, which is first is a solid type and it's just a car. That's enough. After this icon we can put expand saying build your car. Then yes, we have one tool here. Let's put the next one. This is gonna be the location dot, so fa location dot, and here I'm going to change at what company you would like to work in your future. Please tell me in somewhere in this course. Accessories, somewhere, no. Tell me in the Discord server where you would like to work. I have here a screw driver wrench, okay, or tell me what is your college major if you're doing college right now. I would like to know more who you are and why you like to play with web design and development, while you can play with other things like cloud computer, which is in high demand, machine learning. I just like to know more from you, and tell me the recommendations of the course that you really want to see me teaching you, or you would like to have. I'm a personal fan of electronics, robotics, and software engineering, also physics and maths. Let's go to our show. Here we have, so let's start adding some paddings. Section shopping, let's add some padding. Okay, here we have your regular paddings in all the sides, so let's put 1 rem, 3.2 rem, 10 rem, and 3.2 rem. Saving here. Now we can go to our component creation, which is gonna be our shopping tools CSS. Okay, let me go to my main. I'm going to put here shopping tools. I have saved it. Now I can start making that happen. This is actually gonna be easy. I have my shopping tools. Inside, don't forget that I have my icon, so I can make its width to be 100%, yes, and the font size I can set to 3.2 rem. Then I'm going directly to my link. Here I'm going to make sure that this is going to be displayed as inline block. Just add some padding. I just want horizontally. You have to just catch the idea from our original design and then start making this happen. That 9 rem. You already know that the color is not the same, so you don't have to even go there again. Keep checking and checking. You know that this color dark green. Probably here you won't know what is the opacity. I agree with you. And let's save, then go and see what we have. Okay, going there slowly. We're gonna hit all. So let's adding the padding to the top. Padding to the top of some 2 rems, but let me put 1.9 rem. And as we hover, you know what happens. So let's just put the transition to all. We're gonna put 0.3 seconds. Okay, as we hover, what we have, we saw that we're gonna be changing the color, and this is gonna be color blue. Okay, let's format our span that contains our text there. In our span, we're gonna display as IB text transform. Let me put uppercase letters. Font size 1.3 rem. I'm gonna put a font weight of 700. Just put a slight margin to the top of 1 rem and see if this gives us a good result or not. Still processing, very good, beautiful. Yes, I think we don't have to make nothing here else because we already have what we wanted. Drop your questions, tell me what courses you would like to see from Dalton Valley in tech skills. Please follow our social media, YouTube, and we need to grow there.